Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm getting curries, and these are my curries, and I'm gonna open them. I'm really excited. Sorry, my brother's watching the movie. Alright, here they are. Say curry on it. It should be curry. Say curry. Say curry on it. Yeah. Oh my god, this looks sick.
Those are very big.
No, they're not.
We're gonna have to return them to get smaller size.
Bro, they're mince match.
Are they supposed to be?
Yeah.
Hold on, they're too big. We're sending them back.
What?
You can't wear these.
They're not big.